أعزائي الطلبة طلبة الثانوية العامة، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا بكم في مراجعة جديدة من مراجعات الألجبرا and Solid Geometry. Question 1. In the opposite figure A, B, C, D, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash is a cube of side length 2 units. Then find A, B dash dot B, D. Find scalar product A B dash dot B D dot B D. يبقى لازم يكون عندنا طبعا A B dash وعندنا B D. احنا كلنا عارفين انه A B dash equals B dash minus A. Also B D equals D minus B. So we have to determine the coordinates of the point A and B dash and B and B. Solution. The point B dash equals 2, 2 and 2, as the side length of the cube is 2 units. So B dash is 2, 2, 2 and A is 2, 0, 0. A of coordinates 2, 0, 0 and D 0, 0, 0. B is of coordinates 2, 2 and 0. Now A B dash equals B dash minus A equals B dash 2, 2, 2 minus A 2, 0 and 0. So 2 minus 2 equals 0, 2 minus 0 equal 2, 2 minus 0 equal 2. Now we have to calculate B D. B D equals D minus B, D minus B, and the coordinates of the point D is 0, 0 and 0. Coordinates of the point B is 2, 2 and 0, 2, 2 and 0. Now AB dash dot BD equals 0, 2, 2, 0, 2, 2 dot negative 2, negative 2 and B. A B dash dot BD equals the coordinates of AB dash dot coordinates of BD. So 0 multiply negative 2 equals 0 plus 2 minus 2 multiply negative 2, negative 4 plus 2 multiply 0 equals 0. So the result equals negative 4 and the answer number 4. It is negative 4. Question number 2. If Z is a complex number of unit modulus, the length of its modulus equals the unity, equal 1, and the argument and its argument equals theta, then the argument of 1 plus Z over 1 plus Z bar. Z bar is the conjugate of Z. Is one of this choice. Again, if Z is a complex number of unit modulus, what does that mean? The length of its modulus equal the unity, equal 1. Absolute Z equals 1. So we wanted to calculate the argument of 1 plus Z over 1 plus Z bar. First, we have to simplify this fraction. Okay, and don't forget that the argument of z is theta. The argument of z is theta. Okay, back to solution. Let z equals a plus bi. Z is a complex number equals a plus bi. Then z bar, its conjugate equals a minus bi. Multiplying up and down by a plus bi over a plus bi. What we get? We get in the numerator a square plus b square over a plus bi. A minus bi multiply a plus bi equals a square minus bi all square, and the I square equals -1. So a minus bi multiply a plus bi equals a square plus b square over a plus bi. But a square plus b square is the modulus of z, and the modulus of z equals unity, equal 1. So we can substitute a square plus b square equals 1. Okay, again, a square plus b square equals absolute of z, which equal 1, and a plus bi equals z. So we proved that z bar equals 1 over z, so I can substitute in the denominator here. Instead of z bar, we can write 1 over z as, okay, 1 plus z over 1 plus z bar equals 1 plus z over 1 plus 1 over z. Now, to simplify this fraction, multiplying up and down by z. Multiplying up and down by z. Z multiply 1 equals z. Z multiply z equals z square. Z multiply 1 equals z. Z multiply 1 over z equals 1. We can take z as a common factor. So we have between brackets z plus 1 over z plus 1. Simplify. So we get z. Z plus 1 over z plus 1 equals 1. Multiply z equals 1. So this fraction, the given fraction, equals z. What is the argument of z? From the given, the argument of z is theta. So the argument of this complex number is theta 2, and the answer is 3. I hope you understood it. Question 3. The amplitude of this complex number, we have here complex number, and the question is about the amplitude of this. Amplitude, it is theta. So first we have to simplify it. Solution. Root 3 plus I all power 4n plus 1 over 1 minus I root 3 all power 4n equals root 3 plus I over 1 minus I root 3 multiply root 3 plus I. Note here that root 3 plus I power 4n plus 1, it is the product of root 3 plus I power 4n multiply root 3 plus I. As you know, when you multiply, we add powers. 4n plus 1, 4n plus 1. Now we want to simplify this fraction, multiplying up and down by I as follows, equals multiplying up and down by I root 3 plus I root 3 plus I over multiplying 1 by I, we get I, multiply negative I root 3 by I, we get negative I square, and the I square equals negative 1. So the result will be root 3. Again, to simplify this fraction, we multiply up and down by I. Multiplying the numerator by I, we get I root 3 plus I. Multiplying the denominator by I, we get 1 plus root 3, as I square equals negative 1. Multiply negative, we have positive. And by simplify, we have here I power 4n. And don't forget to write root 3 plus I, root 3 plus I. So the result equals equal I power 4n multiply root 3 plus I. I power 4 equal 1. I power 4 equal 1. Also I power 4n equals 1. So the result equals root 3 plus I. Root 3 plus I. This is the simplest form to this fraction, to the given fraction. And the amplitude equals 10 minus 1, 1 over root 3. 1 over root 3. It's equal pi over 6 or 30 degrees. Okay, first we simplify the fraction. Then we put it in the simplest form. It is the main idea, to put the fraction on the simplest form, root 3 plus I. And from that we can get its angle, theta. Amplitude equals 10 minus 1, 1 over root 3. Equals pi over 6, and it lies on the first quadrant. So we will take the first answer, pi over 6. And the pi over 6 is the amplitude of this complex number. And the answer is 3. Question 4. The coefficient of x power 3 plus, the coefficient of x power 3 in 1 minus x plus x squared power 5 is negative 30, negative 20, negative 10, or 30. So the required is the coefficient of x power 3. So 1 minus x plus x squared all power 5 equals 1 plus x multiply x minus 1 multiply again x multiply x squared equals x squared. X multiply negative 1 equals negative x. So again 1 minus x plus x squared all power 5 equals 1 plus x multiply x minus 1 all power 5. And we have to use the expansion of the binomial. Okay, so we have two terms. This is the first term, and x multiply x minus y minus 1 is the second term, and n equal 5. So the expansion is 5c0 plus 5c1 x multiply x minus 1 power 1, here 1, we have here 1, plus 5c2 x square x minus 1 all square. The second term here is square 2 plus 5c3 x power 3 x minus 1 all power 3. The required is the coefficient of x power 3. So next terms the powers will increase than 3. It will be 4 and 5 and so on. So we stop here. Equals, so the coefficient of x power 3 equals the coefficient in this term plus the coefficient of the fourth term. Here first term there is no x power 3, there is no x power 3. In this term we have x power 3 because x minus 1 power 2 equals x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 2x. Here it is the middle term, of in the expansion of x minus 1 all square negative 2x. Negative 2x multiply x square equals negative 2x power 3 multiply 5c2, so the coefficient will be negative 2 5c2 minus 5c3. After you expand this, we get 1 multiply 5c 3x power 3. So one of the terms of this expansion is 5c3x power 3, and its coefficient is negative 5c3. Negative 5c3, we write it here, and we calculate it. We get negative 20 minus 10, which equal negative 30. Question number 5. If theta is the measure of the angle included between A 202 B 004, then theta equals one of these values. So the required is to calculate the measure of the angle included between these two vectors. Solution: cosine theta, you have to memorize it. Cosine theta equals absolute of A dot B over norm of A dot norm of B, which equal absolute, here we have absolute 202.004 over 2 square plus 0 square plus 2 square multiply square root of 0 square 0 square 0 square again 4 square, which equal 8 over 8 root 2. 8 over 8 root 2. So theta equals cosine minus 1 over root 2, which equal 45. As 8 over 8 root 2 equals 1 over root 2 in the simplest form. So theta equals cosine minus 1 over root 2, which equal 45. So the measure of the angle included between the two vectors is 45. Question number 6. If the point C is the midpoint of AB, where A equals 1, negative 4, and 0, then the point B is, so we have 2 points A and B. We know one of these points, one of them, A equals 1, negative 4, and 0, and B is unknown. We consider it x2, y2, z2, and the middle point is C. C equals 2, 2, and 6. So what's the coordinates of the midpoint? Midpoint of line segment AB. The coordinates is C equals x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2, z1 plus z2 over 2. This is the coordinates of the midpoint in the 3 dimensions. So C equals 2, 2, 6. So 2 equals first coordinate x1 plus x2 over 2, and x1 is 1 from the given, over 1 plus x2 over 2. y1 equals negative 4. We write negative 4 over 2. z1 is 0 plus z2 over 2. And from here, using cross multiplication, we get B equals 2 multiply 2 minus 1. Okay, this is the second point, because second point is x2, y2, z2. So the first coordinate will be x2, which equal 2 multiply 2 minus 1, and y2 here equals 2 minus 2 plus 4, and z2 is 2 multiply 6 minus 0. So the coordinates of the point B is 3 and 8 and 12. 2 multiply 2 minus 1 is 3. 2 multiply 2 plus 4 is 8. 2 multiply 6 minus 0 is 12. And this is the end of first part of this revision. بتمنى ان انت تكون استفدت بكل دقيقة معايا، وربنا يوفقكم جميعا. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.